Enjin Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Enjin Wallet app is one of the most talked about wallets in the crypto and NFT space. But is it as powerful as it claims to be? Most people only see the surface sleek design, gaming tokens, and NFT support, but there's more beneath the hood. Let's break down the real pros and cons. First, the pros. The Enjin wallet shines because it's built with gamers and NFT collectors in mind. It supports a wide range of assets, including Enjin Coin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and thousands of ERC20 tokens. More importantly, it's deeply integrated with the Enjin ecosystem, meaning you can manage blockchain-based gaming assets, trade NFTs, and interact with decentralized applications all in one place. Another major advantage is security. Enjin uses advanced encryption and a two-layer security system that ensures your private keys never leave your device. It even features fingerprint login and a secure keyboard to reduce the risk of keyloggers. Then there's the user experience. Enjin's interface is intuitive, visually polished, and ideal for both beginners and experienced crypto users. It also includes in-app token swaps, making it easy to exchange one crypto for another without using a separate exchange. But let's talk about the cons, because no wallet is perfect. One drawback is that Enjin is mobile only. There's no desktop version yet, which can be inconvenient for users who prefer to manage assets on larger screens. Another issue is network dependence. Since it's so focused on Ethereum and the Enjin ecosystem, it may not be the best choice for users who want multi-chain flexibility like Solana or Avalanche support. Finally, while it's free to use, gas fees still apply when making transactions, especially on the Ethereum network, something that can frustrate casual users. In conclusion, the Enjin Wallet app is a secure, well-designed option that stands out for NFT and gaming enthusiasts. The surprising truth? It's less about trading and more about empowering digital ownership in the growing world of blockchain gaming.